Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Zemmi and me and my dad is going to make interview.
Hi Zemmi, how are you?
Fine.
So, what is your favorite thing to do on your holiday?
Everything. Like going to the play area and going to my brother's place and going to my youngest brother's place.
Wow, nice. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why? If you have superpower, what would it be and why?
Then we will fly away
Okay.
and be strong and carry our strong, heaviest brother.
Okay. What is the most exciting adventure you have had with your family?
The favorite adventure is like we're going to the beach and going Hawaii and Disneyland.
Oh, okay. If you could invent a new ice cream flavor, what would it be called? If you can invent a new ice cream flavor,
A rainbow flavor.
what is your go-to dance move when you're feeling happy? When you're feeling happy?
A cartwheel.
Oh, wow. If you were a character in a storybook, what kind of story would it be?
It will be like Cinderella Rapunzel's storybook.
Okay. What is the silliest joke you know that always makes you laugh?
Why the rock roll down the road? Because he wants to go rock and roll.
If you could visit any place in the world, where would it be?
South America.
Why?
Because I want to visit South America.
What is your favorite bedtime story and why do you love it?
Because it makes me sleep a lot.
And what is your favorite bedtime story? Which one?
The number 2 one. That one is my favorite.
Can you tell a little bit that story?
I don't know the story, but
If you had a magic wand, what's one wish you would make to come true?
have a swimming pool. A giant swimming pool.
Okay, that's so nice. Now you tell thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone to watching my YouTube channel. Bye.